Walla Walla Community College is pleased to announce that we just received word that we're one of the top 10 finalists among all 1,200 plus community and technical colleges in the nation for the coveted Aspen Prize. Walla Walla Community College was signaled out for its graduation and transfer rates. Our graduation transfer rate is about 34% higher than the average community and technical college in the nation. Graduates from Walla Walla Community College earn more than twice what the average salary is of a newly employed worker in our region. One of the noted outcomes of the Aspen competition is that Walla Walla Community College is exemplar in lining our workforce training programs with the emerging economic needs of the region. Last year we were fortunate to be one of the top 5 community colleges in the nation for the coveted Aspen Prize. This year we're going for number 1.